Alright! So today, papanoorin natin ang bagong upload ng Wish 1075 Bus na nung nakita ko siya kagabi sa screen ko na sabi Philip is performing Moving Closer from the lounge in the Wish Bus. I was excited kasi yung itsura niya parang naka-blonde hair si Philip doon, tapos napaka-vibrant ng kanyang ngiti, kaya sabi ko papanoorin natin. Kaya dito ngayon, wala na madaming sasabihin. Napaka-cute ni Ken dito, kaya nag-set talaga akong panoorin siya. So this is it. If you like Philip and if you like SB19, please hit the subscribe button, because the subscribe button, isa lang yun. Please hit it because we have plenty of that right here, and we're gonna watch plenty of SB19 amazing content. Kaya wala na madaming introduction. This is Philip Moving Closer, yung kanta niyang Moving Closer, no? So let's go, let's do that. Alright, alright. Mag-play ka na, ano ba, habang wala pang Cebu Pacific, oh. Ay. Yeah, let's go. Let's do this, let's do this.
Wish 107.
When you smile, everything's in place. I've waited so long, can't make no mistake. All I am, reaching out to you. I can't be scared, gotta make.
Narinig mo yung hangin sa Scared? Scared! Yung hangin doon, halatang live na live. Ha? Baka kasi may nagdududa, pakinggan mo.
All I am, reaching out to you. I can't be scared.
Diba? Live na live yung talagang performance sa Wish Bus, no? Para malaman lang talaga kung ano kaganda. Maganda yung boses ni Ken, no? And by the way, side note lang, yung jacket niya dyan, nakita ko sa Facebook. Pagkaalala ko, nasa 300k. Yan, no? Yung Pulizi. Di ko nga alam yung brand na yan, men. Pero nakita ko, 300k or 250,000 nandun. Dang. Pambili ko na ng bahay sana yun, no? Pero deserve niya yan. Pero kung isipin ko, men, putik. Damn, di ba? Sana all. Napaka-pogi na dito, parang napakabata ng dating ng mukha niya dito. Parang bumata siya ng mga 5 years ganon. At napakaraming tao, automatic yan pagka SB19 o kaya SB19 members, man. Huwag ka na umasa talaga makapanood ka ng malapit sa mga ganyan, kasi yung 18 dyan o yung mga sisiw dyan, makipagpatayan dyan para maging sa harap sila. Hindi ka makakapunta dyan, boy. Alright, tuloy. Ganda ng boses ni Ken dito.
All I am, reaching out to you.
Yeah.
I can't be scared.
Damn.
Gotta make a move. While we're young, come away with me. Keep me close and don't let go. Inch by inch, we're moving closer. Feels like a fresh new start. And now take my heart, this is the moment. I'm moving closer to you.
Diba yung ano na to, parang ano siya parang meron na siyang beat, parang upbeat na siya. Pero ang original nito, hindi ganun, diba? Parang medyo acoustic ba? Nakalimutan ko na yung ano kung asasan yung rig, pero feeling ko, ito parang ginawa nila ng beat. Parang medyo mabilis siya, no? Pero it's all good, man. Parang Christmas themed yung dating niya, parang mas upbeat.
I'm moving closer to you. Hey! Move hard, gotta breathe the air. I'm spinning around your atmosphere. I hold my breath, pulling into you. Break my fall, don't let go. moving closer to you. I'm moving closer to you.
Damn. Mataas yan, ha? Very good falsetto.
Take you now. Inch by inch we're moving.
By the way, napakaganda ng ano niya dito, ng ngipin niya. Napakaputi, and it should be kasi close up talaga to. Na sobrang lupit ng close up, and pati yung buhok niya paputi na. Sobrang lupit ng close up ng pag-endorse ni Philip ng close up. Pati buhok niya pumuti, man. Ganon kalupit. Kaya bayaran niyo yan ng napakalaki, ha?
Closer, feels like a fresh new start.
Yeah.
And now take my heart, this is the moment. I'm moving closer to you. Inch by inch, we're moving closer. Feels like a fresh new start. And now take my heart, this is the moment. I'm moving closer to you. I'm moving closer to you.
Damn, binaba niya, nice.
Wish closer on Wish 175.
Ang ganda talaga ng register ng ano. That was nice. Ang ganda ng register ng low notes ni Ken. Yung mas mababa yung boses niya, mas okay. So, tingin ko kung nasa choir si Ken, nasa bass siya. Nasa bass 1 ata siya. Kalimutan ko na kung mas mababa ba yung bass 1 sa choir. Kasi ako bass 2 ata ako. Sa medyo mataas na bass. I'm not sure. Pero hindi ko maabot yung sobrang baba talaga. Pero hindi din ako tenor. Kasi Ken, nandun nata siya sa pinakamababa, and his voice is getting better and better every time he lows the note. Kaya mas ano talaga siya sa mga low notes, napakagandang pakinggan. And it was a nice performance. Definitely live, napakagaling, napakapogi niya, and I hope for the success of every member of SB19 Man. And I expect to see more, lalo na sa mga simula at wakas nila na album. So, this was it. Maraming salamat sa panonood. If you're new here, please click subscribe. Maraming salamat. This has been Curve Speech, and New Master has been amazing.